So go on my side. Hope all is well. Alright, so in this video you will see our journey as a J1 student looking for second jobs. Yeah. So alright, you will hear my voice more in this video, a lot in this video, and some behind the scenes and some nice look. Alright, so this is my second time in Tennessee. Yeah man. Alright, so right here, so now me just test out the camera and see what I go on. Oh, me just want to drop the scene. Yeah man, this happened out of Parkway. Yeah. Anyways, back to myself now. Yeah man, so I go so boom, I set up the camera and I check out myself and I say yeah, ooh wow, shake it, 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 and stop and just go so boom and look for myself again. Yeah man, and check and say alright, yes or no, call me now. Alright, but yeah man, then give it a clear bag here, but me not too like but it can work with. It can work with, you see me? Yeah, that is it. Alright, you don't know 1J side. I have to show you my name tag, you know, that's my name tag. Yeah. Alright, so my side, as you can see what I'm going. Today is my first day at work. I got train and everything. It's cool, chill. I don't know how much degrees. Should I check it? But yeah man, so I pre first day. That one at the shuttle bus then. This are the parking lot for Dollywood and Splash. Well, Dollywood, Splash Country have a different parking lot. It's a Splash Country may work. I just look so. Splash Country may work. I'm a lifeguard this time, so remember to like, share, and subscribe. Continue watching.
Now they will open D up to keep that from backing up.
Yeah. The entrance of Dollywood Splash Country Aquatics Water Park. Yes guys, this is it. This is the entrance. So boom, you don't know it's a boy J side. I'm back with another boom of video. So alright, today we just try to look some second job. We don't know how lucky we be. Oh, I'm gonna try Starbucks first. Wow. Yeah, so I'm going.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my, all bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
I've been calm, cook attention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone and the presence, I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections, when you look at me, you see the
So, boom! Yeah, man, me see it, man. You care, man. Please tell me to like it. I want to stop my other. So we don't take us a chill. Buy one Starbucks. For I think what boy live now. So we have a Walmart now. So that's I free right now. We're for traffic on the road. Yeah man, so let's see what I want. Yo! Let's see free. Some rain come down a while ago. And with a fee. Run go hide. Get wet up. But there you go. So we come friend them there right as I come. Okay. We are in Tennessee. Trying to get second jobs and stuff. Because sun will come out. But the place still cloudy.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind.
Yeah man guys, so this is the way we are ending out the day. Yeah man, we are cook up some oxtail, shrimp and some whole things. Yeah man, as you can see, some colorful vegetables and we are wash rice and everything. So guys, yeah man, just continue washing. Big up. So alright guys, wanna see how me look. Why? I never pass it lifeguard training because boy, the length of the pool, like no man, this just not so, it just hard. Right now, I go, I have my bag, I have my shoes, I'm just there. But I don't think I'm going to do it because our people life in danger and you know it's a good look on the company.
It's for somebody special, yeah. Can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special. Can't wait it out tonight.